Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can fix your login issue with Yahoo Mail. So in order to fix your login issue on Yahoo Mail, first thing first, go ahead and open up your yahoo.com on your web browser, or you can use application as well. And once you open up your application or website, tap the sign in button from the top right hand side corner of your screen. Common login issue is entering incorrect login credential. So the users might forget their password, account locked, email address, and account locked. Yahoo Mail locks an account temporarily, and if there isn't suspicious activity or multiple failed login attempts, then it might also show this kind of error. First of all, what you can do is type in your username, either your mobile number or an email address, click the next button. After that, it's going to ask you to enter in the password. If you've forgotten your password, what you can do is simply go ahead and tap the forgot password button located right at the bottom. As soon as you've done that, it's going to ask you to select where they can actually send you a code. So select either one of these, and here you'll need to go ahead and enter the verification code, and that's going to be sent through an email. Now open up your email and check for the verification code and tap the next button. Also make sure to see the timer located right at the bottom. If you don't enter it within this particular time, then the code's gonna be invalid. So now if you've provided a valid information, then you'll get to create a new password just like this. So create a new password, click the continue button, and after that you can log in with a newly created login information. So in this way you can fix your login issue on Yahoo Mail. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.